Welcome to Secret Gadgets channel, where you can find the latest gadgets that came in the market. Its adjustable design ensures the best viewing angle for every adventure, whether on the move or standing still. Whether you're exploring, vlogging, or creating content, the GoPro neck hold mount keeps your hands free and your footage steady. To save you time and money, we have collected the 5 best GoPro neck hold mount on the market. You can see the product links in the description of the video below. Number 1. The TELESIN GoPro neck hold mount offers superior stability and versatility for capturing dynamic footage. Its shock-absorbing elastomer base plate minimizes camera shake, ensuring smooth and stable videos even during intense activities. The 360 degrees rotating mount allows for flexible shooting angles, making it ideal for action-packed adventures. Designed for comfort, the adjustable shoulder pad fits users of all sizes securely. The quick-release J-hook strap lets you switch between backpack and selfie stick setups with ease, adding convenience to your outdoor experiences. Made from durable ABS material, this mount is built to endure rugged conditions, making it a reliable companion for your GoPro adventures. Number 2. The Vamson GoPro neck hold mount offers a hands-free, first-person perspective for dynamic shooting. Its ergonomic design includes a soft flannelette pad for maximum comfort during extended use. The anti-shake rope significantly minimizes vibration, ensuring stable footage even during vigorous activities. With dual height adjustments, you can capture high and low angle shots with ease. The mount supports quick horizontal and vertical phone adjustments, offering versatile shooting angles. Its extendable design ensures a comfortable viewing distance. The secure closed-loop buckle features a 1-key switch lock, keeping your device firmly in place while you focus on your adventure. Number 3. The Ulanzi GoPro neck hold mount unlocks immersive POV shooting with hands-free convenience. Its elastic, skin-friendly silicone construction features a built-in metal aluminum core for durability and flexibility. Designed for long-term wear, it ensures comfort without fatigue. The mount is simple to use with a press and pull wear button for quick setup. Its magnetic buckle design allows seamless installation by aligning the interface with precision. Part of the Go Quick Ecological series, it supports easy switching between compatible devices. Made from robust ABS plus PC, silicone, and strong magnets, it offers a 5N magnetic suction force and supports devices weighing up to 1 kilogram. Ideal for action-packed adventures. Number 4. Number 5.